I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable staking on Kraken. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So in case you don't know what staking is, it's basically an option that will let you allocate some money, so you will get a percentage of that money you are locking in staking. So you will be getting rewards every day. So if we go to activity, in my case I use the staking option and I get rewards every week or every 2 weeks. In my case I'm only allocating a few dollars, so I don't get almost anything, but it will depend on the money you have. So on the past version it used to appear right here, but now to enable staking on the web version you need to go right here and click account, then click earn right here, and as you can see we got staking right here, so you can enable or disable it. So depending on the cryptos you have, you can earn up to 16% APR, so that's it. If you want to do it on the phone application, you just need to open Kraken app, you need to tap auto earn and something like this should appear, and the same thing on the Kraken Pro app. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.